my friends, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. In today's video I'm sharing yet another fall decorate with me video, and today we are going to be working on my formal dining room. This is a formal dining room, however my family uses it every evening to dine in. Since the remote model of the house, we no longer have a breakfast nook, so we use the formal dining room to eat together. I am super excited to share this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know down in the comments what you think at the end when I do the reveal. So I wanted to give you a bit of an overview what this room looks like. I have been kind of just putting stuff on a table that I'm thinking about using. So this is what the table looks like. So we're going to be decorating the hutch, the table, and then as well as the little tea card. I have cleaned everything off of this hutch a little while ago, so I'm not going to go into a full detailed cleaning. However, I'm going to swap up some greenery. I really do love the way this is looking. I kind of did this setup back in spring with the pictures and the vase and the little wood accents and the candelabra, and I am loving it. So I didn't want it to disturb it too much. Maybe I'll switch out some pictures for Halloween. I saw some pretty new trending ideas that people are doing, and I thought they were super cute, so maybe I'll add that to it, but I'm not 100% sure. You guys are just gonna have to tune into that. I typically don't decorate too much for Halloween. However, the daycare is back again, which I'm sure I mentioned this before, so I might add more Halloween touches just for fun, so the kids have a blast. I have officially moved kids out of this dining room. I originally wanted them to eat. I added booster seats to the chairs, and so we did crafts and ate here. I wasn't loving it. I knew that I was taking a risk with the mess and things being damaged. So nothing has been damaged, but the mess is so much. So I have ended up buying some small chairs and a small table that I can fold up and put away every night. So this is where I am moving the kids, just in a little hallway between the kitchen and the dining room. I have a big space there, and they're gonna be dining in there, so they're right by the kitchen but not in the kitchen. So I'm looking forward to that. A lot less mess in my dining room. So I am adding these bright burgundy flowers. I wasn't loving the way they looked last year when I did it on my island, but I think here the pop of color, it looks really good. I did purchase these at Dollarama few years back. They're just maple leaves. They come, I'm pretty sure they're Crimson King maple leaves from a Crimson King maple tree, and I think they scream fall. I think they're perfect, but like I said, just finding the right spot for them, and I think they looked really good up on top. I'm keeping the dishes here. I have been contemplating about maybe putting some of the dishes away and just maybe keeping one or two plates. They do hold a sentimental value to me, but I feel like I could do so much more decorating on the hutch if I didn't have the dishes. Let me know what you guys think. What should I do? Should I just keep maybe one or two plates and couple things and then add the seasonal decor, or keep this as is and just add little tiny pieces of decor? I'm not quite sure which way to go. Maybe Christmas will be the deciding point for me. So like I said, I'm going to add just a few things. I have this beautiful big kind of, I don't know if it's a stone pumpkin that I got from Michael's, I'm pretty sure, a couple years back. It is just the right coloring that I want this to kind of go, my color theme to go, and I thought it looked really good. And then I have a little DIY sign that I DIY'd over on my DIY channel to go with it. I love pickup trucks with pumpkins, with Christmas trees, with all sorts of stuff. The farm is it a farm pickup trucks, and this was made from a Dollar Tree calendar, and I really love the way it looks. I love the frame that I used. You're just gonna have to head on over there and check that out. As I said, I'm just doing a little light dusting, and then I was contemplating what else to add to here, because there wasn't a lot of room. I still wanted to keep some of the greenery, the little green pots, so I've decided on adding a little bit of hay, not too much bright color, just enough. And then to weigh the hay down, I did add a little pumpkin just on in beside it, and I thought this looked perfect. And then for the middle shelf, I had some of these florals. I want to say they came from Dollar Tree with the little pumpkins on them, and the pumpkin color matched perfectly with the big pumpkin, so I thought that was gonna look really good here. And I just added 2 of them behind my snow babies, and these snow babies I've been given gifts from one child that I have took care of for 12 years, and every year I got, for my birthday and for Christmas, a snow baby. So again, another sentimental value here, so I like displaying them here as well. So I just wrapped this greenery around it with pumpkins, and I like the color of the leaves here as well. And now I'm going to move on to my little tea card. This was DIY several times over on my DIY channel, just made it over a couple different ways. I am settled and I love the way it looks right now. And I don't use it as a tea card, I just use it as a decorative piece of small furniture that I can decorate. That's what I use it for. I think not last year or the year before, I did use it for Halloween setup. I did a little decor on it with some drinks and stuff like that, and it turned out really cute. But I don't think I've used it since. I don't think I did anything for Christmas with it other than just decorating. And that is not a bear rug that I have on the floor. That's Duke. He's my Newfie Bernese that's always near me, never too far. He's just my assistant in everything that I do, and typically in my way. the little vases in the corner came from Dublin Mercantile, and then the little cloche, well, the bigger cloche came from Home Sense, and that's a Yankee Candle with the topper right there. And then I am going to add some pumpkins and a little lantern in there. The pumpkin that I'm adding has such amazing texture on it. It did come from Home Sense a couple years back, and I absolutely love it. So I had cleared the table, and then I am going to just give it a wipe down just to get rid of any debris that was left from the decor, and if there are any fingerprints of any sort, I just gave it a little cleaning and a polish. I am going to be adding 2 different tablecloths. I went and looked for my pumpkin tablecloth and I could not find it because it wasn't with all my other table runners. However, as I was decorating and looking for different pieces, I did find it in a bin with all my fall decor, so I'm not sure why it was in a bin, not with all the other table runners. Who knows? But nevertheless, you're going to see 2 different ones go on here. Let me know which one you thought looked better. Obviously, I prefer the pumpkin one, but you know, you might like the other one. So I wanted to add some greenery into this vase. I had this hay here because I was using it at a different spot, which I swapped out. But I wasn't loving with the way the hay looked because it was completely different color from all the rest of the hay. And I felt like with the burgundy color and the orange, burnt orange color, that I was better off going with something more green, but not very bright green. So I tried. I had some olive branches. I knew they weren't gonna work, but I thought I'd give them a try. I didn't love it, so I'm putting back the stuff that was here pretty much the whole year. And then I was gonna go out and see if I can find the greenery that I had in my mind. And then actually this morning I was in my master bedroom getting ready for the day, and I realized that the greenery that I had imagined was in the vase on top of my dresser. So I obviously didn't imagine it. I just had it already, and it was in my mind. So I'm going to swap those out. So you're just going to have to come back for the home tour to see how that looks. I'm sure there's going to be tons of different swaps that I'm going to be doing because it's just as I live in it and kind of hang out in the space, certain things don't work for me and I feel like they could be changed out. So usually I encourage everyone that watches all my decorating videos to come back and check out what the final kind of home tour does end up looking like. So I finally settled on the rustic pumpkin to go instead of everything else that I tried, and now I'm just swapping out the runners. The candle, the little dough ball with the candle in it, came from Area Home that is in Hamilton, Ontario. I had purchased it. It was very expensive. It was a big splurge because I really wanted a dough ball and I could not find one anywhere. They were selling these. They were even discounted. I think with shipping and tax and all that stuff came to like $175. Like I said, spend way too much money. About 2 months after that, they started carrying them at Home Sense, and they've had them ever since without candle in it. But I did not buy it for the candle. I bought it for the dough ball. So here it is in all its glory. I'm using it in every decor and every seasonal decor that I do, I use it. I love it. I just don't think it was quite worth it. So here is a full total reveal of what the dining room looks like. Like I said, I love this table runner. The other one was just simple. This one has a bit more intricate design on it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed. And I have a couple more decorating videos coming your way, so make sure that notification bell is on so you get notified when those pop up. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.